Hello everyone, this is Sarfraz here, your English teacher. How are you people? Hope you all are fine. And due to a busy schedule, I'm unable to make videos. Okay, and very sorry that after a long time I'm going to complete this lesson, the enemy. I made the videos of class 10, but not for class 12 students. So sorry for that. I think we should start now. In the previous video, we came to know about the life of Dr. Sadao, why he has not gone to the battlefield or to fight in the war, why he is there, and both the husband and wife, the couple is confused what to do and what not to do. Both of them are in the opinion, both of them are having the same opinion to throw him back into the sea, but both are having a soft corner in their hearts because both of them have got education from America. Yes, in words you can see Dr. Sadao says that all Americans are our enemy, but in his heart, or you can say there is a corner in his heart where there is love for them. Okay, there is love not for American but for all humanity, and that's why he is behaving like that. He is confused. Okay, and now we will read further lines, further paragraphs. I will complete. I'll try my best to complete this lesson. So we should start now. I'll read the previous paragraph from where we left. The first one is Sadao hesitated again. The strange thing is, he said. So he was about to complete the sentence, but in between he said, the strange thing is that if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. I care nothing for him. He is my enemy. All Americans are my enemy. And he is only a common fellow. You see how foolish his face is, and how how foolish his face is. But since he is wounded, and he was about to complete a sentence, but he didn't complete. You also cannot throw him back to the sea, Hannah said. So Hannah understood by her instinct. Okay, she says that you also cannot throw him. Then there is only one thing to do. We must carry him into the house. But the servants, Sadao inquired. So this is the question Sadao asked, that what would happen if servants will come to know about my new guest. Okay, we must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police, as indeed we must. Sadao, we must think of the children and your position. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over a prisoner of war. So, at a stretch, a very, yes, you can say 3 or 4 lines have been told by Hannah. Hannah said, we must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police. No, sorry, this is the dialogue of Dr. Sadao. As indeed we must. Sadao, we must think. You can see, Sadao, we must think of the children and your position. How can we understand who is the speaker of this line? Listen, I am a little bit. But the servants, Sadao inquired. Yes, but the servants, Sadao inquired. So this is the answer his wife is giving, Hannah. So this is the dialogue of Hannah from here. Okay, we must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police, as indeed we must. Sadao, we must think of the children and your position. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over as a prisoner of war. Certainly, Sadao agreed. I would not think of doing anything else. So I will not endanger my family members, Dr. Sadao said. Thus agreed together. They lifted the man. He was very light, like a fowl that had been half starved for a long time, until it was only feathers and skeleton. He was very light. इतना हल्का हो गया था जैसे कि एक फॉल. So fall means it's like a bird. Okay. Not it's not a name of an animal. Okay. He was light like a fowl. It's like a bird, like hens and cocks. Had been half starved for a long time, until it is only feathers and skeleton. So his arms hanging, they carried him up the steps and into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards the empty bedroom. उन्होंने एक empty खाली रूम में लेकर आया, एक ऐसा रूम जो खाली पड़ा हुआ था. And it had been the bedroom of Sadao's father, and since his death it had not been used. ठीक है, since his death it had not been used. जब तक वो मतलब इंतकाल नहीं किया, जब तक मरे नहीं तब तक वो यूज़ नहीं किया गया. एंड दे लेड द मैन ऑन द डिपली मेटेड फ्लोर. एवरीथिंग हियर हैड बीन जैपनीज टू प्लीज द ओल्ड मैन हु वुड नेवर इन हिज ओन लाइफ सिट ऑन a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Hannah went to the wall. Okay. Hannah went to the wall cupboards and slid back to the door and took out of a soft quilt. She hesitated. The quilt was covered with flowered silk and lining was pure white silk. So there was a separate room for his father, and in that room, in that empty bedroom, okay, they kept him, and the floor was very soft, You can see here it is written, Hannah went to the wall cupboards and slid back a door, okay, and took out a soft quilt. एक बहुत ही मुलायम रज़ाई लेकर आती है, ठीक है, क्विल्ट. एंड शी हेजिटेटेड. द क्विल्ट वॉज कवर्ड विथ फ्लावर्ड सिल्क. बहुत ही सजाया कवर उस पर चढ़ाया हुआ था, फूल का बना हुआ, फ्लावर्ड सिल्क. एंड द लाइनिंग वॉज प्योर वाइट सिल्क. वो थोड़ा हेजिटेट हो रही थी क्योंकि ये बहुत ही गंदा था ना, दैट्स वाई. He is so dirty, she murmured. Yes, what I said. He was so dirty, that's why. She murmured in distress. Yes, he had better be washed. Sadao agreed. If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. Who said? Yes, he had better be washed. He had better be washed. He should be washed. Sadao agreed. If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. I cannot bear for you to touch him, she said. What she said? I cannot bear for you to touch him. I'll not. Okay, I'll bring water. Okay, so thou agreed. If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. I cannot bear for you to touch him, she said. वो बोली. And we shall have to tell the servants he is here. And I will tell Yumi now she can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. Sadao considered a moment. Let it be so, he agreed. You tell Yumi and I will tell the others. So you will not inform others, I will inform. Dr. Sadao says that you will inform only Yumi, but I will tell others, all of the servants, all servants. Next, but the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him first to stoop and feel his pulse. It was faint, but it was there. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart too was yet alive. He checked that whether he is living or he is dead. Okay. He will die. He will die unless he is operated on. He will die unless he is operated on. वो मर जाएगा अगर ऑपरेशन नहीं किया गया. Unless he is operated on. Dr. Sadao said, considering the question is whether he will not die anyway. The question is whether he will not die anyway. क्वेश्चन ये था कि उसे तो मरना ही है, उसे मर जाना ही बेहतर है. वेदर ही विल नॉट डाई एनी वे, ऐसे नहीं मरेगा तो वैसे मरेगा. द क्वेश्चन इज वेदर ही विल नॉट डाई एनी वे. हाना क्राइड आउट इन फियर, डोंट ट्राई टू सेव हिम, व्हाट इफ ही शुड लीव. डोंट ट्राई टू सेव हिम, उससे बचाने की ज़रूरत है. डोंट ट्राई टू सेव हिम, व्हाट इफ ही शुड लीव, कहीं वो जिंदा बच गया तो. व्हाट इफ ही शुड लीव. What if he should die? Dr. Sadao replied. ये भी तो हो सकता है, कहीं वो मर गया. He stood gazing down on the motionless man. This man must have extraordinary vitality. जो भी हो, this man is very strong, extraordinary vitality he is having, and he would have been dead by now. But then he was very young, perhaps not yet 25. So he is around 25, okay. But he is having too much energy and vitality. You mean die from the operation? Hannah asked. What Hannah asked? Hannah said that you mean die from the operation? Yes. Dr. Sadao said yes. Hannah considered this doubtfully. And when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. Hannah considered this doubtfully. वो शक करते हुए बोली या शक के निगाह से देखते हुए बोली. And when she did not answer, जब वो जवाब नहीं देती है, Sadao turned away. Sadao मुड़ जाता है, वहाँ से हट जाता है. At any rate, something must be done with him. कुछ तो करना होगा इस पर्सन के साथ. He said, and first he must be washed. सबसे पहले तो इसको धोना है. He went quickly out of the room. Hannah came behind, and she did not wish to be left alone with the white man. And he was the first she had been since, he was the first she had seen since she left America. अमेरिका छोड़ने वाला सबसे पहला अमेरिकन इसी को देख रही है. And now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. And now he seemed to have nothing to do. He seemed to have nothing. उसके पास सोचने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है उन लोगों के बारे में जिनको वो जानती है, जो लोग अमेरिका में थे. Here he was her enemy. अभी वो उसका दुश्मन है. A menace, एक खतरा है, living or dead. ठीक है. She turned to the nursery and called, Yumi, but the children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them and play with the baby boy. Okay, now nearly 3 months old. So the boy is of 3 months, sorry. Over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth. Over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth. Yumi, come with me. Yumi, come with me. I will put the baby to bed, Yumi replied. He is ready. I will put the baby to bed. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery and stood with the boy in her arms while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. Again, she went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery, that is not the nursery class, okay, next to the nursery, and stood with the boy in her arms, while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. Then Hannah led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. The two servants were frightened at what their master had just told them. The old gardener, who was also a house servant, pulled the few hairs on his upper lip. Pulled the few hairs on his upper lip means what? Okay. Pulled the few hairs on his upper lip means what? This is a phrase. This is it's like a idiom. Okay. Pulling the hairs on his upper lip. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. मास्टर को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, किसी दुश्मन को, किसी वाइट मैन को का इलाज नहीं करना चाहिए, मार देना चाहिए. द मास्टर आउट नॉट टू हील द wound of this white man, he said bluntly to Hannah. He said bluntly to Hannah. Boldly बोलता है आके हना को. The white man ought to die. First he was shot, then the sea caught him and wounded him with her rocks. If the master heals what the gun did not and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. So this is a thought. This is a you can say opinion of that person, house servant, the old gardener. Okay. I will tell him what you say, Hannah replied courteously. Courteously बहुत ही इज्जत से, तमीज़ से, courteously. But she herself was also frightened, although she was not superstitious. So what he said, that the gun could not kill him, the sea could not kill him, okay, tried his best or tried her best, okay, and our master is going to give a new life to that person, to that white man. This is not justice, okay, and all these things, the sea will take revenge on us. I will tell him what you say, Hannah replied courteously. But she herself was also frightened, although she was not superstitious as the old man was. And could it ever be well? Could it ever be well to हेल्प एन एनिमी? क्या कभी दुश्मन को हेल्प करना कभी मतलब अच्छा माना जा सकता है ऐसा? कुड. नेवरदलेस हाउएवर फिर भी, शी टोल्ड यूमी टू फेच द हॉट वाटर. नेवरदलेस शी टोल्ड यूमी टू फेच द हॉट वाटर एंड ब्रिंग इट टू द रूम वेयर द वाइट मैन वॉज. शी वेंट अहेड एंड स्लाइड बैक एंड द पार्टीशंस, okay, and slid back, and Sadao was not yet there. Yumi, following, put down her wooden bucket. Then she went over to the white man. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. When she saw him, then she went over to the white man. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. I have never watched a white man, she said. What she said? I have never watched a white man, she said, and I will not wash so dirty a one now. Hannah cried at her severely. You will do what your master commands you. Hannah cried at her severely. You will do what your master commands you. There was so fierce a look of resistance from Yumi's round, dull face that Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. So Yumi was told to wash that young man, and she refused. After all, if the servant should report something that was not as it happened. Very well, she said with dignity. You understand, we only want to bring him to his senses so that we can turn him over as a prisoner. I will have nothing to do with it. Yumi said, मुझे इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. I want to go. I want to leave. I will have nothing to do with it. I am a poor person and it is not my business. Then please, Hannah said gently, return to your own world. जाओ अपना काम करो, बच्चा संभालो तुम. That is not your work. At once Yumi left the room. But this left Hannah with the white man alone. She might have been too afraid to stay had not her anger at Yumi's stubbornness now sustained her. Stubbornness means जिद्दीपन. यूमी इतना जिद्दी कभी नहीं दिखाई थी जितना अब दिखाई थी. No, I'll not wash a white man. All white men are our enemies. Stupid Yumi, she muttered fiercely. बहुत ही मतलब गुस्से से. She muttered fiercely. Stupid Yumi. Is this anything but a man? And a wounded, helpless man. In the conviction of her own superiority, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered. When she had his breast bare, she dipped the small clean towel that Yumi had brought into the steaming hot water, washed his face carefully. The man's skin, though rough with exposure, was of a fine texture, must have been very blonde when he was a child. Okay. In the conviction of her own superiority, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs. Untied the you know, she bent impulsively, untied the knotted rugs. What is the meaning of rugs? Here, what is the meaning of rugs? Knotted rugs. Untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered. उस कपड़े को हटाई जिस कपड़े में उसको लपेटा हुआ गया था, जो कपड़ा वो पहना हुआ था, रग्स. When she had his breast bare, she dipped the small clean towel. उसने टॉवेल के द्वारा उसको साफ किया, उसके बॉडी को. ठीक है. Yumi had brought into the steaming hot and washed his face carefully. The man's skin, though rough with exposure. So now the man's skin was rough due to exposure and was of a fine texture and must have been very blonde. Must have been very blonde when he was a child. सोचती है कि जब यह बच्चा होगा तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसके जो बाल होगा वो ब्लॉन्ड कलर का होगा. ठीक है, वाइट, लाल, रेडिश ब्लॉन्ड.